One.
Good morning. Today we're going to be learning about compounds. And as we go, we're going to be using discovery education to investigate some of the properties of compounds. You'll need to have your worksheet ready to go, a pencil, and some earbuds. So let's get started. The questions we're going to try to answer today, number one is, how is a compound different from an element? And number two, why are compounds important to us? Before we get started on that, though, let's just go back and take a minute to review. We know that atoms are the basic building blocks of life. We know that atoms have three subatomic particles: the proton, which is positive, the neutron, which is neutral, and the electron, which has a negative charge. An element is a substance that's made up entirely of one type of atom. For example, if you look at the periodic table, the first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen is made up only of hydrogen atoms, which have one proton and one electron. The element gold is made up entirely of gold atoms, and so forth. Take a second to think about this riddle. We drink water, we breathe out carbon dioxide, we use salt in our foods. What do these substances have in common? Take a second and pause and write your answer at the very top of the worksheet. You're right, they're all compounds. A compound is two elements that chemically combine to form a completely new substance with completely different properties. I know everyone's heard of the compound word, doghouse, firefly. Take a look at firefly. We know we have a fire, something that you can stand around to get warm, a fly, a pesky little bug that we like to swat at. But when you combine those two words, you get a firefly, which is a completely different animal with completely different properties.